It's Bonnie. Happy Saturday. I am back. Oh my goodness, you guys. I have been cleaning today. I have my hair up and I thought I would share my Bath and Body Works cleaning routine with you today because I have been busy. So, first of all, I went through my entire house with a garbage bag, and you know how paperwork from the week get set places. I do this all the time. Mail I set down, just stuff from work. I went through, I picked up all of the paperwork that needed to go in the garbage. I picked up boxes. I picked up just clutter that was laying around my house, and it felt really good. I also started doing a little bit more reorganization with my Bath and Body Works stuff. And then I kind of dug into cleaning. So the two main things that I did today, I vacuumed. My husband actually did the floors, and then check it out. I dusted with my Brightest Bloom body cream, and then I cleaned the bathroom. I used bleach, but then I also use the sea salt uh, body scrub because it's a good abrasive on the bathtub. So I really went crazy. I refilled all of my soap containers. I went and I'm feeling a lot better. I'm starting to dig into that spring cleaning, which, as you know, is kind of a pain. So many of you are probably new to my channel and going, what is Bonnie talking about? She polishes her furniture with Bath and Body Works cream. Yes, I only use the cream. The body butter is too thick. The lotion is too thin. I don't know why. The cream is the perfect formula. What I do is I grab the washcloths from I get the 10 stack at Target. And then what I'll do is I'll take some cream, you put it on the washcloth, and then what I do is I kind of just, spread it around a little bit. And then I'm just going to do an example back here on my bookshelves. What I'll do is watch out, Greg. I will just run the cloth across the bookshelf like this. Computer is glitching so bad today. I don't know if there's something in the universe, but nothing electrical is working today, by the way. I gotta say. So I had to stop and start. So as you can see on the cloth here, I went over my furniture. The dust is picked up really, really well. I mean, it looks amazing. No more dust. And it leaves my furniture nice and shiny. And it smells good. It smells like spring. It's really cold here today, by the way. So I'm getting that nice Brightest Bloom scent on my furniture. So I've been doing this for 15 years. It works really well. Now, if you have really expensive furniture, I would test it out first. I've never had a problem, but I don't have super expensive furniture. So try it out. I know a lot of people on my channel have been doing this for years also. But I really feel like this is the best way to clean your furniture, because what it does is, like I said, not only do you pick up all the dust, but you also have your entire room smelling like your favorite body cream. So this is a total do for me. I have an old cedar chest in our bedroom that's all scratchy on top. And, I set my laundry basket on it and stuff, and it gets really ugly and awful. And then what I do is I'll just actually take the body cream, put it all over the top of the cedar chest. I rub it in for a couple of minutes. It doesn't completely fix it, but it looks a lot better. Let me tell you, it's like the scratches are reduced by 50%. So I like to just go through the entire room, clean everything up, and my house smells like Bath and Body Works. As far as the bathroom, what I do is I usually spray everything down with bleach. I spray that down. I don't love the smell of bleach. Obviously, it gets to my lungs, but I like cleaning with bleach and stuff. But then what I do is do another clean with the salt scrub. So usually, I'll get my Scrub Daddy out, put a little bit on with this, because then you have kind of a dual abrasive. And then what I do is I can, like, we have one of those white plastic, I don't know what it is. It's like the newer tubs. And, a lot of times you get soap scum on there and stuff. This works so well and it shines it up really well. So there's an abrasive in here, and then your bathroom is smelling really good. So I went ahead and did that today in the bathroom. So I feel like I got something done, which is such an accomplishment. I don't actually have a scent for the day on me, because I really didn't do much today. So I wasn't wearing anything, but I was cleaning with stuff. I actually did not even light a candle today because I was so busy cleaning. I had so many scents going on in the house that I didn't want to light anything. Sometimes I'll plug in a wallflower. I didn't today. I was just really focused on laundry, cleaning, doing the floors. It's amazing when you start to get into spring how, like, over the winter, like I do my radiators, everything just really gets messy. I feel like over January, February, March. So I'm full on spring cleaning mode. So that's where I have been all day. I've been trying to get my house in order. It feels so good when you have a clean house. That is like the one thing I love doing is cleaning. I don't love cleaning, but I try to make cleaning as fun as possible. And I've found that using Bath and Body Works to clean definitely makes it more fun. So anyway, another thing that I like to do is, this is vampire blood, by the way. I like to spray a little of the concentrated room sprays in the garbage cans. In the summer, like, a lot of times I'll take my garbage can outside and spray it down. But I use the shower gel, by the way. But it's really cold outside. I just sprayed a little concentrated room spray in there until the weather is nicer when I can take the garbage cans outside. So anyway, if you haven't tried the furniture polishing trick with Bath and Body Works, I highly recommend it. It's one of my favorite things to do. I'm actually going to, it's 5 o'clock. Oh my gosh. I'm going to get back to cleaning. I may have another video later tonight, but I am on a roll, you guys. I'm going to keep cleaning. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.